Hello everyone, Mari Grace Brigg here, your host for the Joint Venture Success Summit, and here with me is Tamara Monosoff, and we're going to be talking about how joint ventures has helped grow her business. Really excited about this topic and her story as well. So Tamara, welcome to the stage.
Thank you so much for having me, Marie.
I am delighted to have you here, and I'm sure our audience are as well. So before I get too excited to hear your story and share it with them, I'd love for you to share with us what was it like, kind of like a before and after story of what was your business and your life before and after you started incorporating joint venture into your marketing mix.
Well, I think as many entrepreneurs experience is you're really alone. And you feel like it takes so much effort just to get a few opt-ins and a few more people to be a part of your community. And it just feels like a very slow going process. And so before that, would I be really excited if I had 75 people show up to my webinars? And because what I do, and I'll go explain later how I have my JV partners send people to my free webinars, and I'll explain that later. But in the past, before I had JV partners, I would be excited about 75 people, yay! Well, and after my last JV partner push, I had JV partners sending people to my free webinar, and I had over 1,400 people from 21 countries go to my webinar.
Wow, what a great result. What a story you have there. And that's the beauty of having joint ventures, because suddenly you don't feel alone. Suddenly you are building this business with the help of other people, with the support of other people. Now you're not feeling alone anymore, because you have somebody out there that supports you, that has your back, that you can connect with, and that you can continue building relationships. Beautiful.
Yes, absolutely. And also it's a nice camaraderie in terms of not feeling alone. Just having other people that understand the process that I've been going through. And it's just like you can be instant friends. And, I find that when someone else is doing joint ventures, we can it's like we're leaping the depth of our conversations kind of goes to a really quickly to a much more deeper and thoughtful level, because we know what we're each trying to achieve, instead of when I've reached out to people who've never joint ventured before, who maybe have a great audience for me, but it is very difficult to explain the whole process. So that's the beauty of having people who are JV ready.